Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be simple, quick, and very basic. These are the three main cleaning products that I use for my apartment and that I've been using probably since I moved in. Two products I've been using since I moved in, and one product is kind of new. I've been using it for about 2.5 weeks and I'm in love with it. But if you guys like this kind of videos, throw a thumbs up, and I will definitely do more cleaning related kind of videos because I know that I do have some cleaning gadgets that I'm in love with, and I would love to show them to you guys if you guys would like that. Without further ado, let's get on into the video. So the first product that I want to mention is Murphy oil, which this is basically at every store. People use it for mostly wood floors, but you can use it on any kind of flooring you have. I use it on my wood floors. I usually just put about a tiny bit in my little spray bottle with some warm water, and then I just start cleaning the wood floors that I have. I only have wood floors in my bedroom and in my living room, so a little bit goes a long way, especially with these two rooms. And I've had this since I moved out, which was June 1st, and it's February 6th today. So that's how much I still have to go. This product is super cheap. It's chemical free, and it lasts and does the job like well, very well. My next product is not so much of a product, more of a kitchen product or item, I should say, and that is vinegar. White vinegar. I got this from the dollar store. I usually put this stuff in a spray bottle, so about a little bit of not a half a cup, but a little tiny bit less than a half a cup of this with some cold water, sprayed on any glass surface, and it will be completely streak free. Also, what I use are these little glass mats that I had picked up from Walmart a couple months back. I use them usually in my car, but then I started using them in the house as well. It came with one, and you can throw this in the wash. I do not dry these. I let them set out to dry because I was like afraid of it shrinking. But I've washed this numerous times and it's never failed me since. Way better than paper towels. Paper towels are so bad for the environment and really bad for your wallet as well. So definitely, if you guys like a cleaning glass or whatever, and I do use the other one to. They have see, they have stuff for like countertops with these as well. I use that as well. So I just throw it in the wash, and that's it. I don't buy paper towels or any of that stuff. My last product is a product that I fell in love with, I want to say about 2.5 weeks ago. It's the Method All-Purpose Natural Cleaner, Surface Cleaner. It cleans. I usually use it for my kitchen table, my kitchen counters, sink. I do wipe down my sink, only because I don't know, I like to keep it nice and clean in there as well. I wipe down my desk, my nightstand, the bathroom sink. Anything that needs a little quick wipe down, I use it. The best thing about this product that I absolutely loved and why I wanted to buy it is because it's plant-based and it is not tested on animals, so that's a big A+ for me. And also it smells amazing. I got the pink grapefruit kind, and my house smells like that all the time because I literally use this every day lately. Like I said, I bought it 2 weeks ago, so it's up to here. I need to calm down, I know, but it just smells so good and it cleans really good as well. And also it's cheap. I paid $2.99 for this bottle. So anyways guys, I know this was like a quick video of what I use. I do not use that much products, only 3. I believe that commercial and advertisements make you seem like you have to buy this product to clean this surface with and then buy this to clean this surface with. Don't believe the hype. You don't need a bunch of products to clean one area for this, one area for that. One product will do for the floor and one product could do for surface cleaning. So I believe like 3 and under for cleaning for the house is great. Anything above 3 is just overdoing it and you're just wasting your money. So anyways, I hope you guys like that video. I know I'm not normally dressed like I usually am. I'm gonna be doing a hair mask soon, so that's why my hair is like all crazy. But I just wanted to get this cleaning video out because I am cleaning my house today. Throw a thumbs up if you like this video. Do not forget to subscribe and also follow me on Instagram. Message me, comment me. I love talking to you guys and love hearing any video ideas. I got a handful of video ideas from all of you. Can't thank you enough. You guys inspired me to do so many different kind of videos coming up. So needless to say, I'm not out of ideas. I have a whole like book filled that I wrote down of ideas to record. It's just me getting down to recording them. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will catch you in the next video.